In the hands-on part of the Cloud Connector, we will use the OData service that is present in our on-premise system to create an SAP UI5 application inside the SAP Neo environment. To do that, first we will download and install the Java Development Kit from Oracle website and the Cloud Connector from the SAP's website. Once we are done with the download and the installation of the Cloud Connector and JDK, we will do some configuration inside the Cloud Connector. The configuration part will handle the connection to SAP Cloud Platform and to the on-premise system. In the third step, we will do some configuration inside the new environment. We want our new environment to know that we have installed our Cloud Connector, and we want to know it that it can connect to that Cloud Connector. In the last part, we will create an application inside the web IDE of Neo environment and use that service that was exposed through the on-premise system.